Welcome to the Norway. Its beauty and prosperity make it one of the beautiful places on earth. Imagine a land where towering mountains touch the sky, crystal clear waters mirror nature's beauty, and every journey feels like a fairy tale. Here, breathtaking landscapes meet rich traditions, where colorful villages, timeless culture, and warm hospitality welcome every traveler. From peaceful valleys to dramatic coastlines, every view is unforgettable. If you're searching for adventure, serenity, and nature at its purest, this is a destination that belongs on your bucket list. Discover the magic, embrace the wilderness, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Let's see best 10 places in Norway. The first one is Oslo. Have you ever dreamed of a destination where nature and modern life exist in perfect harmony? Where majestic mountains meet crystal clear waters, and every season paints a new masterpiece. A land rich in timeless culture, inspiring architecture, and warm tradition that welcome every traveler. Breathe in the fresh air, embrace peaceful landscapes, and discover adventures waiting around every corner. This is more than a journey, it's an experience that stays with you long after you leave. Welcome to Tromsø, the Arctic jewel where nature creates its own masterpiece. Surrounded by majestic snow-covered mountains, crystal clear fjords, and untouched wilderness, every moment here feels magical. Chase the mesmerizing northern lights dancing across the Arctic sky or experience the golden glow of the midnight sun in summer. From whale watching to breathtaking landscapes, Tromsø is a destination where adventure meets serenity. If you're dreaming of nature at its purest, Tromsø is waiting to steal your heart. Imagine a place where towering mountains meet crystal clear fjords, where every road leads to breathtaking views, and nature feels untouched. Welcome to Nordland, Norway's hidden paradise. From dramatic coastlines and peaceful islands to the magical midnight sun and dancing northern lights, every moment here is unforgettable. If you're searching for adventure, serenity, and nature at its finest, Nordland isn't just a destination, it's an experience you'll never forget. Welcome to Lesum Bay, Norway's hidden coastal gem, where nature and beauty come together in perfect harmony. Surrounded by majestic fjords, towering mountains, and the endless blue of the Atlantic, every view feels like a masterpiece. Wander through its charming Art Nouveau streets, breathe in the fresh Nordic air, and watch unforgettable sunsets over the sea. Whether you're chasing adventure or seeking peace, Lesund promises memories that last a lifetime. Welcome to Bergen, Norway, where every corner feels like a masterpiece painted by nature. Nestled between majestic mountains and breathtaking fjords, this charming city is a gateway to some of the world's most spectacular landscapes. Wander through colorful waterfront streets, breathe in the crisp Nordic air, and watch waterfalls tumble from towering cliffs. Whether it's peaceful hikes, scenic cruises, or unforgettable sunsets, Bergen is a place where nature speaks to your soul. Discover the magic of Norway, one breathtaking view at a time. Imagine a place where towering mountains meet crystal clear emerald waters. Welcome to Geiranger Fjord, Norway's natural masterpiece. Every waterfall, every winding cliff, and every peaceful breeze tells a story shaped by nature over thousands of years. Cruise through breathtaking fjords, witness the iconic Seven Sisters waterfall, and breathe in some of the purest air on earth. If you're searching for beauty, tranquility, and unforgettable landscapes, Geiranger Fjord isn't just a destination, it's an experience you'll never forget. Welcome to Stavanger, Norway, where nature paints its most breathtaking masterpiece. Towering fjords, crystal clear waters, and dramatic cliffs create a landscape unlike anywhere else on earth. From the world-famous Preikestolen, standing high above the majestic Lyse Fjord, to peaceful coastal villages and endless hiking trails, every moment feels magical. If you're searching for fresh mountain air, unforgettable views, and the true beauty of Scandinavian nature, Stavanger is waiting to steal your heart. At the edge of the Arctic lies Svalbard, Norway's frozen paradise, where towering glaciers meet untouched wilderness. Watch majestic polar bears roam, witness magical northern lights dance across the sky, and experience the endless glow of the midnight sun. Every mountain, fjord, and icy landscape tells a story of raw, untouched beauty. If you're searching for the world's last great wilderness, Svalbard is waiting to take your breath away. Welcome to southern Norway, where nature paints every landscape like a masterpiece. From majestic fjords and crystal clear lakes to cascading waterfalls and endless forests, every journey feels magical. Wander through charming coastal villages, breathe the fresh mountain air, and witness sunsets that light up the Nordic sky. Whether you're chasing adventure or searching for peace, southern Norway offers unforgettable beauty at every turn. Discover a destination where every moment connects you with nature. Southern Norway, Your next unforgettable escape awaits. Imagine a place where dramatic mountains rise straight from the sea, colorful fishing villages rest along crystal clear fjords, and nature feels untouched. Welcome to the Lofoten Islands, Norway's hidden paradise. From the magical midnight sun in summer to the dancing neon lights in winter, every season is unforgettable. If you're searching for breathtaking landscapes, peaceful adventures, and pure natural beauty, Lofoten is a destination you'll never forget. Discover Norway Travel XZ,